come with your hands and legs to go back the same way. I want your sweat. I don't want your blood. This is what I keep telling them. For me, safety is first. Thank you. Now it's time to get the timers report. Who are all the qualifying evaluators, sir?
All the three evaluators are qualified.
All the three evaluators are qualified. Please vote for the best evaluator. So now can we have the detailed report from the timer, Mr. Toastmaster?
It is never too late or too early. It is when it is supposed to be. The timer's report is in the prepared speech category. Toastmaster Jamuna 4 minutes 52 seconds. Toastmaster Kalyan 6 minutes 5 seconds. Toastmaster Lokesh Chandar 4 minutes 40 seconds. In the evaluator category, evaluator Prakash 1 minute 51 seconds. Evaluator Priyanka 3 minutes 17 seconds. Janani 2 minutes 41 seconds. In the table topics category, Toastmaster Thomas 1 minute 36 seconds. Toastmaster Balamurli 58 seconds. Toastmaster Ramakrishnan 48 seconds. Toastmaster Silva 1 minute 42 seconds. Toastmaster Sundar Raman 1 minute 17 seconds. Toastmaster Jagan 2 minutes 10 seconds. Toastmaster Jayachandran 59 seconds. Toastmaster Balaji 1 minute 6 seconds. Toastmaster Deepa 1 minute 31 seconds. Toastmaster Ilayaraja 1 minute 47 seconds. Guest Mayur Venkatesh 2 minutes. Toastmaster Sanjay 1 minute 33 seconds.
Thank you, Toastmaster Muthu. You did a wonderful job.
Toastmaster Kalyan 1 kilowatt 3 repetitions. Toastmaster Lokesh 1 repetition. Toastmaster Prakash 4 kilowatts. Toastmaster Janani 2 kilowatts. Toastmaster Thomas 1 repetition. Toastmaster Balamurli 3 kilowatts and 1 repetition. Toastmaster Ramakrishnan 2 kilowatts. Toastmaster Silva 5 kilowatts 4 repetitions. Toastmaster Sundaraman 1 repetition. Toastmaster Jagan 2 kilowatts and 1 repetition. Toastmaster Jayachandran 2 kilowatts. Toastmaster Balaji 6 kilowatts. Toastmaster Mayur 2 repetitions. Toastmaster Sanjay 1 repetition.
Thank you, Toastmaster. Let's hear from Toastmaster Madhu.
Good afternoon, Toastmasters. First, I will tell who are the Toastmasters who used the theme of the day and whatever. Theme of the day was used by Toastmaster Thomas, Toastmasters Balamurli, Toastmaster Selva, Toastmaster Sundaraman, Toastmaster Jagan, Toastmaster Jayachandran, Toastmaster Ilayaraja, and word of the day was used by two people, Toastmaster Jagan and Toastmaster Mayur. So, regarding the usage, Toastmaster Jamuna used very good usages like prevalent, exhausted, frustrated, solution was smiling at me, hit me hard, made me think, life is like a coconut shell. And Toastmasters Kalyan, you really use many words, some of it like Seri, horse cables and high cars, so and land of rain, smoothing, scintillating, breathtaking, Chakota, lifted our spirits, trees with spines to touch the sky, and colonial building, slushy waters, and those are some of the words used by you. And Toastmaster Lokesh used greed, shy of relief, black dark, deep frustration, speak of this, vanish and point. And Toastmaster Thomas used heartbroken, Toastmaster Balamurli used pessimistic, optimistic, and Toastmaster Mayur has used sound of water welcomes. That's nice. And Toastmaster Sanjay has used drives me crazy. And Toastmaster Danny has used culmination. So these are some of the very good things that it's made. And regarding the grammar tip of the day, I was searching Google what to be the grammar tip of the day. But when I come across, is the word space has been used differently in this language. So there are a single word with a space can imply a different meaning in English language. So one of it was every day and every space day. So there is a two different meanings for this word. So every day is an adjective meaning it's completely ordinary. It's something we are doing day by day basis. And every day is nothing but refers to each individual day. So the usages for is like the first one, every day without a space. Compared to riding in a limousine, limousine means a large luxurious car. Compared to riding in a limousine, taking a bus is rather an everyday experience. So it's like it's a normal experience. So the second one, every stage, I take the bus to work every day for the work. Over to you.
Thank you, Mazu, for the good tips which you have given. In fact, this is the first time he is doing as a grammarian. Please give a good round of applause. So now we are nearing the end of the session and it's time for the general evaluator to give his report. But before that, we all know about steel. In fact, all of you are sitting on steel chairs. And we think that if we are friend of steel, we can't face any adversary in life. So we go about like this type of assumptions in our life. And for instance, in steel, there is also a property of steel where it can be hardened. So I'm not going to technicalities. Some of the engineers will know that when you red heat the iron and dip it into oil, it becomes hard. But then hardness is also associated with brittleness. So we temper that steel. And then as heat it, hardened and tempered steel. Now, do you think that the steel is available in factories and other sophisticated areas? Think again, right? When you go on the road, you see when they dig up the road, they use this crowbar. That is made from such a type of steel. Now, coming to the theme of the day, let's not simply try. I have read it correctly. Let me tell you two stories. I got married years back, and after 2 months, I quit my job. Then my father-in-law was a little upset. Then he wrote to my father, see what, he gave my daughter to an engineer, and see within 2 months he resigned. Now what is he going to do? I wanted to start an industry. So then by the time my father also gave some money, then I borrowed from State Bank, and then I started this industry, and this industry went on, and I had a lot of peers, cousins and other people who were all on the same level. But as they saw me growing up like this, they started to think that starting an industry or starting their own is very easy and simply, and they went about it. Believe me, everybody failed. The latest to join is my own sister-in-law, who is a doctor, with a dentist's son. They started a polyclinic, 3-story building, huge size. They spent a lot on interior decoration. I mean, interior work has been done. We gave it a hospital, polyclinic too. They borrowed from private finance. They couldn't meet the financial commitments. It was Kanduvati, and they were finished. One family got made. They lost their ancestral property. They lost their life savings. They lost all their gold and jewelry in the process of providing. Another relative came to the rescue. He gave 1 crore overnight and absolved them of all the loan liabilities from them. But then this is working on her, who is my sister-in-law. And last month she has been to hospital herself 3 times in the ICU. Come back, she is very frail and fragile. Friends, am I sounding pessimistic? No. I'll tell you the other side of the story. When I started my industry, there were a lot of workers who stayed with me. And they didn't stay, they went. Also, they resigned the job and went. All the educated workers who stayed with me, they diploma holders, they joined top ranking companies in India. They went abroad. They come back to me and tell me that, sir, we learned a lot from this factory and we want to what they have learned in our factory at that point of time. They also feedback about these employees. There's one more case they went to tell. One of my own relative came from Bangalore. He was having 1 arrears in CA. He thought I paid him 1,000 rupees per month. That was at that time. But very soon he learned a lot from where we are dealing with financial institutions, because we were growing and asking money from financial institutions and more money. Then we have to answer a lot of questions they will ask. So many chartered accountants would do all these things. So he was able to tap his talent, and 7-8 months afterwards he wrote this arrears and passed out and became a full-fledged chartered accountant. Then he joined another company where he was financial controller, and soon he was going step by step. He was progressing very high. He became enlisted as a group of auditors in the World Bank. So he started to finance projects at 100 crores, 200 crores. He will talk directly to the minister or to the chairman of the banks. The Hosur bus stand owes it because of him. So, what is the moral behind the story? Don't imitate things. And if you want to do something, there is hope, but analyze, have self-confidence, and if you have the perseverance, we can go to the top. Today, a chartered accountant of mine who worked with me for 1,000 rupees a day is enjoying his holiday in Switzerland along with his wife and his daughter over there. 6 months in a year he goes over there. So the choice is there before all of you, where you can take the good lessons, and if you are able to have the perseverance, we can achieve whatever you want in life. Now coming back to my final report. The meeting started 2 minutes late. And of course our PMID also was late. Then the general evaluator was over enthusiastic and trespassed into the PMOD's duties, and it was very noisy. Other than that, how do you all like the meeting? Did it go very well? We had a very exciting session with the Toastmaster, PT Master. Toastmaster, I can't see. He was saying, he was saying that where there is a will, to me it's stuck there. Where there is a will, there will be relatives. The last one will be doing better than what we have been. So with this, I would like to give a quote from my senior, who was 2 years senior to me. His name is Shiv Prasad. He said, money is neither a goal nor a destination. Money is neither a goal nor a destination. It is the outcome of efforts designed to create value for customers. It is the outcome of efforts designed to create value for customers. Does anybody know Shiv Prasad, 2 years senior to me? Shiv Nadar, you all know?
Yes.
He's the same guy. Shiv Prasad transformed himself to Shiv Nadar in 2 years senior. Today he's chairman of HCL group of companies, and probably becomes the top 10 richest man in the world. So I sign off with a lot of enthusiasm from all of you who have gathered here, and give me also a little length to here, and I will hand over back to PMOD.
Thank you, General Evaluator. I hope you all have enjoyed your meeting. This is the first time we are conducting a meeting with the background music. And dear friends, actually, during our childhood days, we had a lot of dreams, big dreams. We wanted to become a Superman, we wanted to become a He-Man, we wanted to become Prime Minister. What happened to those dreams? Over a period of time, we got introduced to people who taught us that there are limitations. We met a lot of incidences which taught us that there are limitations. This time, still we have another half of our calendar left. Let's try to do something. Let's try hard to simply try to do something which is extraordinary, which is beyond our hands. Let's try to do something which we feel that it is very difficult and which will take us to a next level. So with that message, I leave this floor to the President. Let's all join our hands to welcome him.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day, Jayarajan, and all the role players supported him. It was a really wonderful meeting. Let's give a big round of applause. Now, there is a balance sheet with you. Please vote for the best role player. That is Toastmaster of the Day, Toastmaster Vijayarajan, General Evaluator, Toastmaster Prabhagar, and then Grammarian, Toastmaster Mosuk, and Accounter, Toastmaster Santosh, then Taima, Toastmaster Muthu, then Chokaling, Toastmaster Toastmaster. Please vote for the best role player, and the salary drums will collect the ballot from you. Now, I would like to thank for the Toastmaster Vijayarajan for another wonderful, unique thing which happened with this meeting. There was a trailer and a teaser before this meeting, and for the first time we had a trailer for a meeting. There was a video, 1 minute video, and there was also a speech, what do you call it, teaser. You know, it is a wonderful idea. I would like to please put your hands up. Idea you implemented, so the implementation part is the most important. Arjun Guru is our VPPR, incoming VP Public Relations. He did his job and he executed it. Now, And I would like to take feedback from the guests because the guest feedback help us to improve better. So candid opinion, candid comments are respected. So those who are attended for the meeting for the first time, any Toastmaster meeting for the first time, or attended the Medley Toastmaster meeting for the first time, can you please give your feedback? Any guest?
Hi. This is the first Toastmaster session I've attended in Chennai, and I really liked it. The structure, the organization, I really liked it. When the general evaluator actually said the meeting started 2 minutes late, that's when I got actually impressed. I mean, I've never seen, as far as I know, I've never seen something that goes so smoothly functioning. We were supposed to end the meeting at 5 and it is 4:55. And I'm really impressed by the time flow, the amount of care that is taken to actually take care of the proceedings here. So yeah, I've had
For information, our timing is 2:55, and when I started the meeting, the Toastmaster of the day was not here. So that was the system we followed here. Thank you for that wonderful comment. And anybody else? Just non-Toastmaster.
Toastmaster meeting and attended like I've been trying to attend for past 10 years. When I was in Capgemini, we used to have a Toastmaster meeting and I couldn't make it. And even in Chennai, the new company also, I tried for 3 years. I couldn't, but somehow when I told him to start, 3 weeks I was doing very fast. Nevertheless, too late in my career, but still, I feel I didn't continue my coming today last week. Okay. So I really enjoyed it and I learned a lot. So I going to continue it for next 1 year and
Nice to hear that. Please come back. And your brother asked me to give get Okay, thank you for coming. Please come back. And anybody else? One more.
I thoroughly enjoyed it. And second,
Thank you, sir. Yes, the test fee of 150 rupees, and if you are a student, the fees is 100 rupees. Toastmaster Arjun of BPPR will be here to collect the fees. Along with him, Toastmaster Arvind, who is our BP membership, also will be here. Anybody wants to know about the procedures to join the club and any doubts regarding the membership, please come here, assemble here, and you can get your doubts clarified. Now, this is a big day for our family. We are a big family, and one of our members is celebrating his birthday today. Please sing, somebody sing, generally can sing for our Toastmaster Mersul, his birthday.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nandu. Happy birthday to you.
And one of our members was one of the enthusiastic member, Toastmaster Gopalakrishnan, is already he has given a farewell speech. But from the behalf of Medley Toastmasters, in the small time which you are here, we thoroughly enjoyed your sessions and you had given a lot of contributions to the overall development of members, overall learning process. Thank you, Gopalakrishnan. Wish you all the best. Such a big and precious member of the Medley Toastmasters in such a short time, and I hope you will come back. Whenever you come back to the city, you will be coming to our club. So wish you all the best. I'd like to welcome DDM Sundaram to give a best role play award goes to Toastmaster Vijayaraj. The best evaluator, Toastmaster Priyanka. The best every topic speaker for the second time, Toastmaster Priyanka.
For not getting trained.
I think like Rahul Gandhi went somewhere and he the time. And the best speaker, Toastmaster Lokesh. Thank you. My dear friends, I am coming to the end of the meeting. Before that, I would like to give a small announcement. This is the last meeting I am presiding over as the president of this club, because next meeting we have a Toastmasters training happening, and July 1st onwards we have a new set of team. I am not going to give you a farewell speech again. Last week I already did. There was a team working with me. I already last week Arjun is shaking when you do the next level. Okay. So, but one person was missing that day. It's a 2%, and one of the person is here today. I can't.